What is up, my online digital marketing family? It's great to have you back. My name is Jennifer Kasmer, and if you don't know, I help brand builders, coaches, creators, and influencers grow their brand using YouTube and my omnipresent branding authority program. So that means I take your YouTube videos, I distribute them everywhere, and massively amplify your brand using all those platforms, and it all starts with YouTube, so you can get monetized. So in this video, it's going to be a quick video on how you should name your file name prior to its upload onto the YouTube platform. So in this video, I'm doing a review for one of my clients' videos, and which is also my husband. But I want to make sure that I'm improving our agency team at all times. So I'm actually doing this review and sending it over to my agency virtuals to let them know how they can improve the process for each of our clients' videos. So the file name that has been used is 3 Best Abs Exercises for V-Cut Abs Fast. Now, the thing is, with the file name, this is another opportunity for you to go after that primary keyword that you selected for your video. So on a MacBook or a Windows computer, you're going to have a few different opportunities. And if you guys didn't know, I actually have 2 kids, and whenever I press record, they seem to get very, very loud in the background. I wish I had 25-foot high ceilings so it would have a chance to kind of not be so loud, but I don't, and so it just seems amplified. Maybe it's just my head because I'm mom. Anyways, but that's neither here nor there. So if I'm in my Finder and I look up, just for example, an MP4, right? These are the videos that I've created in the past for Facebook ads. But what I would do is I would right-click on that video. I would go to Get Info. And like I said, I'm saying if this was my video for my YouTube channel, I would put V-Cut Abs here. I would put V-Cut Abs again as the file name. And I would put V-Cut Abs again in the comment section, okay? So that is a great way to, once again, level up your expertise when it comes to your YouTube videos and really stand out against the competition. So you want to be consistent when you're doing these things and implementing these little tweaks to your videos, because in the end, it makes a huge difference for the amount of views and subscribers that you're going to get on your channel. So for any questions, comments, whatever you want to tell me about your day, or maybe how I can keep my kids quiet, Nuzzle has already been used, duct tape has already been used as well. So I've got those on my list, and I haven't pulled them out yet, or have I? You never know. Anyways, so use your Get Info information for each video, and that's before you upload it to YouTube. When you do it before you upload to YouTube, this right here, your file name, would actually just be V-Cut Abs, okay? So, and you want to make sure that you do that to squeeze out everything you can from that YouTube algorithm to really make a massive impact for the clients that you serve, but also to grow your channel as fast as possible. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.